traffic are together. We still have several hours of accumulating snow and sleet and gusty winds to get through before this storm really starts to wind down. That'll happen by about midday in most spots. So I expect to add to these snowfall accumulations. We've picked up more than 9 inches of snow in North Smithfield, 8 in Scituate, East Providence, Portsmouth with a half a foot of snow and a little over a half foot so far in Attleboro. And there's been a lot of talk about the consistency of the snow. Really changed over the last few hours. Started off as a dry and fluffy snow, which is what we still have in northwest Rhode Island. But as you get closer to the coastline, it becomes a heavier, wetter snow. And that is what we anticipated, especially as we have seen some sleet and even some rain mixing in. So even while the snowfall amounts are a little less as you get closer to the coast, it's going to be tougher to clear off. But I would actually recommend clearing it off sooner rather than later before these temperatures really start to tumble, because it'll ice over. We're down now into the 20s in northern Rhode Island. We're seeing that in Willimantic, while Providence is still at 33 degrees. But we're expecting a rapid temperature drop as the morning goes on. We've seen the snow coming down at some moderate clips here over North Scituate this morning. Snow-covered roads still a scene. East Providence, you've got the snow falling moderate to even briefly heavy at times. It is mixing with some sleet around 33 degrees there. Northeast winds at 23 miles per hour with the higher gusts. Here's our storm system right now, kind of cruising just to the south of Long Island, and will continue to work its way to the east and northeast. Very intense bands of snow setting up over parts of Vermont, New Hampshire, and interior New York State. So Binghamton, New York with nearly 3 feet of snow. I just got a report of Okemo in Vermont with nearly 2 feet of snow. And again, around here, we've seen more of that mix, especially south of Providence, but some pretty good banding happening right now in a couple of spots. You can see that in South County, across into Jamestown and parts of Newport, and then into the Providence and Fall River area. And those bands are rotating around southern New England as this storm passes to our south. So we've got wind gusts currently between about 20 and at times 40 miles per hour. I expect the winds to strengthen again as they turn to the north, and the temperatures will drop. So we're seeing by about 8-9 o'clock in the morning that temperature drop reaching the Providence area westerly as well. So that's that flash freeze we've been concerned about, and eventually is headed towards Newport and into the late morning or early afternoon towards Taunton and New Bedford too. And so plan on things getting icy as the intensity of the snow winds down by about midday. We'll even see some breaks in the cloud cover potentially over parts of Rhode Island. So here's what I'm expecting for the rest of the morning. The windswept snow, falling temperatures, and difficult travel conditions. Between noon and 5, just some lingering lighter snow showers, but travel conditions improving. And it'll be dry and cold for the evening and overnight hours as skies turn partly cloudy. So how much additional snow are we talking? Another couple of inches possible, maybe 2 to 4 inches in spots, especially further inland. And the winds, as I mentioned, still going to be gusty. This is 9 o'clock this morning, gusting over 40 miles per hour. Could get some of the higher gusts along the coastline, over 50 miles per hour for Block Island, Martha's Vineyard, and Nantucket. Those winds will die down this evening. Here's the wind chill when you factor in those gusty winds. 18 right now in Smithfield, 21 in Providence, but the wind chill is going to dip into the teens and single digits as the day goes on. And the actual air temperature expected to fall into the teens tonight with that fresh snow on the ground and skies partly cloudy. We'll start off with a little bit of cloud cover in spots on Friday, but we should get back to sunshine. Cold and dry weather for the afternoon on Friday. Highs only near the freezing mark. Cold start Saturday morning, 10 to 15 degrees. Afternoon highs around 35. And then on Sunday, we're looking at some extra clouds, maybe a sprinkle or a flurry, but overall a fairly dry and quiet stretch in the days ahead. WPRI.com for the latest forecast anytime throughout the day today. Let's get back to the highways for another check on the traffic.